This is the festival hotel. See how big it is. Welcome to Eboh's Media. It's your favorite boy Asha. I'm part of the Eboh's Media team. I have to start by apologizing that we haven't been giving you guys back-to-back content as Eboh G would have been doing, like he loves to do. You know, we are learning on the job. You know, Eboh has passion for this, and people like us, we are inspired with his works. Okay, today I'll be filming from Eboh's car. You know, I'm sure most of you know this interior, you know, because he normally does his videos, most of his videos from this particular spot. So it's mind-boggling for me that it's finally a reality that he's no longer with us. So today we are going to take you on a tour of Festac town. You know, Festac town is in Lagos State, Nigeria. So Lagos town is located on Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. I will take you on a tour. I will show you the expressway. I will show you the whole of or part of Festac town. So Festac town, which stands for Western African Art and Culture. So this estate was built by the federal government of Nigeria to house artists, songwriters, playwrights that came graced Nigeria for the 1967 event, which happened in Lagos, Nigeria. So after the event, the estate was leased out to individuals. It was once a symbol of what art is all about in Nigeria. So I will take you on a tour and you will see what has become of that great place. So Festac is divided into avenues. You know, the estate was built in such, it was planned, let me put it that way. So it was divided into avenues. There's First Avenue, Second Avenue, Third Avenue, Fourth Avenue, Fifth, Sixth, and Seventh Avenue. So in those avenues they have roads. So you will see like road 2, road 23, road 24, you know, in the same Festac. You will see like First Avenue, road 23. So I will show you what Festac towns look like as of today. Today is 28th of May 2023. Stay tuned. This is Eboh's Media. Now we are moving into Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. So this is the major Lagos-Badagry, sorry, not Ibadan, Lagos-Badagry Expressway. Leads all the way to Benin Republic. This is a West African Link Road. So this expressway, you can access Festac town through this road. So the entrance we're gonna use will be the first entrance. That is they call it the first gate. They have the second gate and the seventh gate. So but we will access the first gate going into Festac town. So stay tuned as we take you on this journey of touring Festac town in Lagos, Nigeria. As you can see, it's boldly written, "Welcome to Festac town." So this is the first gate. So we're moving in, and we're gonna show you what the roads look like, how we're gonna access it, and this is the First Avenue. Festac town is divided into avenues. It has the First Avenue, the Second Avenue, the Third Avenue, the Fourth Avenue, the Fifth, the Sixth Avenue. So we're gonna go through them and we'll show you what has become of Festac town. So we are still on the First Avenue of Festac. So we'll go in through the Sixth Avenue. We're gonna connect. So this video is being shot on Sunday. So we experience some mild traffic from churchgoers. Maybe, I don't know if the services are still on. So one thing you will notice about Festac, how the mighty has fallen, is the roads. You know, this place was so organized, trees were planted. You know, it conformed with international standard, but it has become a shadow of itself over the years. So it's actually a road issue. There is infrastructural decay, you know, deficit. So luckily the road we are applying at the moment is a bit better, but when we progress, you will see what I've been talking about concerning Festac village. So this is one of the biggest Catholic church in Festac town. So because Festac, the government built it in such a way that it has everything. It has one of the biggest mosques, it has the biggest church, it has a very big area E police station, one of the biggest police station also in Lagos State. So this is the Catholic church of the Visitation. If we go through the mall, I will also show you the mall. If we're able to go through the police station, I will also show you the police station. So yeah, this is Festac town. So most businesses have sprung up over the years in Festac, especially hotel is a booming business here in Festac town. You know, every road, every corner you see hotel. You know, there is hotels, there are schools, there are shopping centers, there whatever that makes a beautiful town. It's a town on its own. It's just quite unfortunate that over the years it has been allowed to depreciate the much that it has done. So guys, we are still on the tour of Festac town. As you can see, Festac is synonymous with bad road. You know, it's terrible out here, the kind of road in Festac village. The local government is laying claim, the federal government is laying claim, and yet none is fixing or doing anything to improve the infrastructural dilapidation of Festac town. It's terrible. So in this particular episode, it's not like we're making Festac look really bad. I want you to appreciate things that are also good about the village. You know about the climate change, the global campaign for climate change. I think Festac, in the whole of, if I'm not mistaken, okay, let me say the whole of Lagos State, they are topping in that regard. You know, you can count the number of trees that has been planted here over the years, you know, and all of them are still okay. Like this one has withered off, but most you see green grasses, the trees. You know, in a nutshell, they are doing their bit. The management, I don't know if it is the federal, the state, or the local government, in keeping up with the global challenge of planting trees. So it's another good aspect of the place. So it's not all that bad. The place is well planned out. You know, the roads, the interroads, the naming of the streets, you know, everything is top notch. Just the maintenance culture, you know, it has gone all haywire out here. So if you look down the road, it's trees all through. You know, every corner that you turn to, they're representing the climate, keeping up with the climate change. Keeping up with the climate change. You see, this was what the government built straight. You know, this is the housing units. This is what they look like in the 77s, in the late 70s, and most of it are still standing tall. People try to renovate here and there, but as you can see, some people are changing their windows to a bit of a modern window. And if you look up, you see also the people that have remained with the traditional olden days windows, like those ones you take up and down. So this is another shopping complex. So Festac is big, it's huge, like everything is here. You know, this is a cinema, it's a movie center, it's a mall, it houses a lot of things. Basically a shopping complex. I think the only car that is allowed to ply this road is, or rather the only car that will be comfortable plying this road is an SUV, not a car like the one Eboh's media own. So, but yeah, that is what it is. So it has, okay, you see Federal Fire Service, Nigeria Immigration. So this is what actually this Festac town boasts of, you know. It has everything. This is the office of the Nigerian Immigration. The Nigerian Passport Office. It's located here as well. It's a Sunday, so it's closed. It's located inside that gated estate. So Festac town has literally everything. So thank God we are on another good road. Thank goodness. You know, you hardly see this type of road in Festac, so thank goodness. Even a Nigeria Civil Defense Office. Nigeria Civil Defense. Yeah, back up a bit. Nigeria Civil Defense. Let's go. So it's their office. So it has all the law enforcement agencies, almost all. There is an army barrack here, located somewhere in Festac town here. So on our next episode, I will take you to the army barracks, located in Festac town. It has everything except good roads. Yeah. So these are shopping, small shops that has been put up to cater for the needs of people staying in Festac. So people have started investing in so many businesses that are booming also here in Festac. I don't want to be unfair, but sometimes when you look at how this once a national pride looks like, it looks like straight out of the movies, you know, looks like a prison to me. Doesn't look like that national pride. Looks like blocks of prisons. So we just hope that more attention will be given to Festac town to bring back its glory days. The Anglican Church of the Pentecost Anglican Communion. Onto okay, this is a deeper Festac Mall. So this is the mosque for the Muslim faithfuls. So yeah, everything, everybody, every section of the society is well represented. It's called FTMC Oba Biolohun Kosi Mosque. So you see how big it is. It's quite big for a mosque. Also located on, I think this is 2nd Avenue. Yeah, 2nd Avenue, Festac. So we are getting towards the end of this episode of tour of Festac town in Eboh Odofin local government of Lagos. So keep on sharing the video, keep on liking, and keep on subscribing. Invite friends, family to subscribe to Eboh's media. So we'll exit Festac town through Festac Link Bridge. So the Festac Link Bridge links Festac to the rest of Eboh Odofin / Agor Palace Way, Okota, Lagos. So we're heading towards that bridge, so towards Festival Hotel. So we're about to make our entrance into, you see, Festival Hotel Conference Center. It's quite big. So it's ShopRite. This is the Festival Hotel. See how big it is. Sitting on, I'm not sure how many plots, but it's quite magnificent. So we exit through that Festac link bridge to head into Eboh or Dolphin of Lagos State.
Guys, I hope you guys stay safe wherever you're watching from. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. One Nekodi.